Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers of assignments in PDF, not for this subject or other subject also. And if you need other helps, so you can contact us. And question number 5A is find the ratio of the RMS speed of the hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules at room temperature. Given molar mass of H is 1 U and molar mass of O is 16 unit, and are the mean speed and root mean square speed of gas molecules the same? Explain by taking this example of 5 molecules that have speeds 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 units respectively. So these are the questions that we have given, and we have to answer it. If you need any other help, so you can contact us. If you need answer of these questions, you can. Now, thank you so much for watching, and we will meet you soon in the next video.